Hey guys, so we decided to do the Palm Springs aerial tram. We couldn't really walk around down here because I forgot that the weather down here is a little bit more different than at home, and that it was going to be hot this weekend, so I'm in a sweatshirt and it's freaking hot right now. It's, what does it say?
I don't know, where is it? 94.
94, but it feels like it's 110 out here. So we're driving all the way up here, trying to figure this out. I think it takes you into the San Jacinto Mountains. So it should be kind of cool. But they tell you to turn your air off, and Jose did. Not sure why. So we opened our sunroof. And I'm dying, it's freaking hot. Oh my god.
I don't make the rules, I just follow them.
No, you don't.
Well, I'm not trying to break down.
Rules are not meant to be followed.
This one, I'm not trying to break
hot.
down.
We have a new car. We're not gonna break down.
I don't want
Okay, I'm legit sweating. Like I can't deal with this. You guys, look at this. Look at this.
You got hot sauce?
Yeah, I have many. Okay. Okay guys, so we're here. It is freaking hot, but look how pretty the mountains and the scenery is. Oh, I'm super sweating. Just something to do before we head home. We've never been here before, so it should be kind of cool.
Hi, my name is Jose, and I'm here for a good time.
Oh my god.
Hey guys, so Alyssa and I made it up to the top of the hill. Pretty cool that she's actually wearing a sweater because I'm not. And it is 60 degrees up here. And we're actually located at Mount San Jacinto State Park. And I'll give you guys a view of what we're looking at. Hey guys, so we just came inside and we found a little bar and there's some food, so I don't know what this is gonna have, but we're gonna
What do you want to get? What do you want, babe? We got some bruschetta and hummus. Looking good. Oh.
Hey guys, so we're over here. We made it to, I think, the highest place that we can go to without actually really hiking. And it kind of sucks because the air is so thin.
We're dying.
It's hard to breathe. I thought I was good, but I'm not. You know what I just realized? There's pennies right there and change. What's it for? It's not a wishing well. Is there such thing as a wishing mountain? Wishing hill?
You're a nerd. He's a nerd, guys.
You got change? No? You ain't trying to do nothing strange for a little change?
You're so annoying.
Well, I don't know. In the rock. That's kind of strange.
Here, hold up.
I'm drinking high quality H2O. Just to let you guys know. No cervezas. I wonder if it echoes.
I don't know.
Hi!
You're such a nerd. You're disturbing the peace. Hey guys, so we are leaving now. Super hot. Jose, what does it say?
So it's 91.
It doesn't feel 91. I wore the wrong clothes. Up on the mountain, it was perfect, but down here, no bueno. It's boiling. So we're gonna head home now. I need to go home and get ready because I look like a hot mess. But I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. It's 2 o'clock by the time we get home. Probably 4 something, so we'll see. We'll catch you guys soon though. Bye. Hey guys, so we just got back from Best Buy. Camera's really not picking it up, but we got the Gorilla Pod 3K kit. I'm pretty excited about because the one that we're using right now is smaller, which I wanted because I thought it would be more convenient, but that wasn't the case. It's actually a hassle because I have little arms and little hands. So hopefully this one will be better for us. Looking forward to it. Gonna throw it on right now and we'll figure it out. Bye guys. What are they building?
Some restaurant.
Wow. Hey guys, so we just got to Pasadena. We're gonna have dinner at P.F. Chang's. There's Jose. Pretty excited. We haven't been here in a while. Never been to the one in Pasadena, only the one in Chino Hills.
Yeah, right? Yeah. I hate coming to Pasadena though because I'm here every single day of the week.
And I love it. Any chance that I get, we're down here.
Yeah.
Sometimes once a week. We used to come down here and have like our dinner dates on Fridays.
And
so he would leave work, come home, come back down here.
I introduced her to a restaurant called Kava, and we had it on a Friday. She ate it, and then next what happens? We come back on Saturday.
It's so good. I wish there was one closer to us. I think the closest is Anaheim Hills, which is still not that close to us. Right guys, so I got a coconut mojito. Jose got, what'd you get me?
Twisted whiskey.
Twisted whiskey. Let's see how it is.
No egg whites.
No egg whites this time. Alright, let's see. Let's do a taste test. It's pretty good. Kind of weird. Try it. Kind of weird, huh? Like
Yeah.
it's more lemony than coconut. Okay. No.
Why not?
It's too strong. Oh my god. Yuck.
What? Okay, good.
This?
You said it was an avocado lobster roll.
Oh, avocado lobster roll.
You want me to help?
Looks pretty good.
You want me to give you some?
What?
Or are you ready?
Oh, I'll take some. Thank you, thank you.
I just wish we had plates.
So our food's here. We got what?
That's a combination lo mein. This is wok fried or wok seared filet mignon, and then that is Mongolian beef. And we have good old rice over there.
Rice. Hey guys, so we're almost done with dinner. It was super good. Pretty full. They have mariachis that way at El Cholo. Kind of jealous. Kind of wish I was there instead. You're not down.
I don't know.
Jose said that they put us out here. We could just run out of here, but we're not down. We're too chicken. We're too honest.
I got a career. I can't lose my career.
We would never do that.
Over some fucking lo mein.
Not worth it. Okay, so we got these. Let's open it and see what it says. Alright, hold on. What does yours say, babe?
It says you will soon be called upon to help a friend in trouble.
Well, shit, that's scary because I'm his only friend. Your dreams will lead you to a profitable venture. Oh, hey.
We got a better one.
I know. Hey guys, so we're just leaving dinner now. We just wanted to thank all of our new subscribers for following along with us. And if you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell to be notified every time that we upload a new video. Jose?
Do what she said.
Hey guys, so we just wanted to close out this vlog